What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all can see by the thumbnail, we giving back. We giving back, man. I told y'all this year, gonna be a lot of giving, man. Blessing certain individuals and stuff, man. You know, just show people you appreciate them and all of that, man. Like, it's all about giving. Like, we always have been about that too. Like, years to come, like, always about giving and doing for others. You know, we don't really cherish money and all that. A dollar, man. You don't cherish a dollar, cause it ain't nothing behind it and all that. But in the end, it's about to be a good day. Cause what we gonna do? Wifey auntie coming down today. Her aunt's coming down today. So we want to do something for her because, like I said, man, my wife, she done told me stories of stuff she done. I'm gonna get Wifey on camera too, but she told me stories of stuff she done for them, her and her brother when they were little. My mother-in-law done told me all the stuff, and I see for myself. I seen over the years the stuff she do. She's just a giving person, and all that. She's just a great person, and you know, had talked to my mother-in-law one day. We had a long conversation, just talking about life and stuff, and her name, you know, she came up and I just popped up and asked her, I was like, has anybody ever did anything for her just out the blue? And she was like, no, nobody ever did nothing. I was like, boom, perfect time. So, talked to Wifey. Me and Wifey wanted to do this and stuff. And like I said, this actually her aunt that gave her the Monte Carlo. So y'all gonna see her on camera today. So that's what today's video is about. Like I said, giving back. And every time I do this, man, we're gonna make a video about it, cause I hope this inspire somebody else to go help somebody else, or let their loved one know, you know, they appreciate it. Give them their flowers right now while they're alive to smell them. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got going on today. Like I said, it ain't car related, but we got to put this on camera. I hope this moves some of y'all to do something. It ain't got to be monetary, man. You do what you can do, just show somebody you appreciate them. So y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna make it happen. All right, y'all, checking in. So look, I'm about to go get this money. We're gonna surprise Kendra aunt, as I said earlier, cause they over here. Perfect time. So we're gonna give $1,000. So all right, y'all. So here it is right here. We're gonna give her $1,000 right here. Trying to talk quiet so she ain't gonna expect. I'm gonna give y'all some more of the backstory though. I gave the intro. I'll give y'all some more of the backstory though. So let's go. We're rolling. Alright, y'all, checking in. This Kendra aunt too, y'all. This the one that gave me the call. They out here doing everything. Look at the kids, y'all. Look at the kids.
Yeah,
doing everything.
I mean, you on camera right now.
Yeah, you on camera.
I'm over here.
You are.
You on the vlog. Nah, wait. We got, anytime we got the camera on, it's for a reason.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's for a reason we got the camera on.
Yes.
So you want to tell her?
Yes. All right, so we do have a surprise for you. We got a surprise for him. That's the original owner of the Monte Carlo too, y'all.
Yeah, I told you I'd give the backstory.
Wow.
But got a surprise because you always come down and support the kids. You supported me growing up. Back to I remember doing the piano recitals and everything. Supported them. Basically, you support everybody in the family, not just them, but everybody. So we want to just give you a little surprise.
What? Are you kidding me?
You got,
Whatever y'all want to do with it.
you got count. We want you to go somewhere, college, and use it to go somewhere.
Camera.
Don't tell Uncle James.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Oh my God.
Don't tell Uncle James.
Yeah.
Don't tell Uncle
How would you
James.
do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
$10?
No. No, that's $1,000.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I don't know what to say. Oh my goodness.
We want to surprise you.
Oh my goodness, Kendra and Justin. Oh my goodness.
Press the
Mission
button.
accomplished, y'all. Mission accomplished.
James Wiseman, come here.
James
You
Wiseman.
record too? This is Uncle, y'all. Uncle coming in.
She got
Well, you don't kill me too. You don't
$10,000
kill me too.
already.
Come here.
She got $10,000. Seriously, she got $10,000.
He don't know what's going on, y'all.
$10,000.
Look what I got.
Yeah, right.
That's her Uncle James, y'all. Like I said, we want to surprise him. Nah, we want to surprise y'all with that.
Huh?
We want to surprise y'all with that.
I know that's right.
Whose hand is it in?
What man?
Whose hand? Whose hand is it in?
It's in yours.
It's her.
All right, y'all, we got. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man. Y'all just saw her reaction. She was really shocked. So look, man, we finna get ready to close the video. I got Wifey out here, cause you know she can really tell you. I just briefly told y'all in the intro, like said, Wifey done told me stories on stuff she's done for them when they were little and all that. And you know, she been in their life a lot. So look, we got Wifey out here. Her house still lit.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh yeah, well she wanna control it. She ain't used to that big thing.
All right, y'all. But yeah, you saw what we did for my Aunt Emma. She has done a lot for us growing up. You know, I always getting the stuff. When me and my brother was little, I always get just going to the store, getting things, picking it up. When I was in school, okay. Oh no, when I was little, I used to play the piano. And so for my piano recitals, they always, she, her husband, and her kids, they always came down to my piano recitals. Going into my first year of college, they helped out. Getting my comforter and some more items that I needed. Going to college, freshman year in college, and my parents needed a little help at that time due to some other things that were going on. They helped out a lot. Even not only that, y'all, she and my cousin came and helped me move in to my dorm. That's a lot, man. She's just very supportive, and that's her. Not just me, not just my brother, not just our kids, but she's a very supportive person when it comes to anybody, and she does things from her heart. You know, she never asks for anything. You know, she can go right now. You can say, hey, can you pick me up this right here? You're to give her the money. She don't want it. She don't want it all. She does things from her heart. And I think that's just something that we should all do. You know, don't look for something back, you know. If you're going to do it from your heart. If you're not going to do it from your heart, just don't do it at all. I mean, but yeah, y'all, she's just very loving person. I mean, very loving person. I mean, who gives you a whole Monte Carlo? I mean, like I say, she's the original owner of the Monte Carlo. I wanted that car. I wanted a Monte Carlo, and she handed it down to me. And that's why I say that car is very sentimental. So no, I would not sell that car. But yeah, y'all, that's just a little background about my aunt. Good person all the way around. And she makes good potato salad.
and she make good pound cake. Look, I know she gonna
Cake too.
lemon cake. Yeah,
Don't
she
put
make
lemon cake in the family.
the lemon cake and the pound cake. Michelle love that lemon cake, y'all. She did lemon cake. Y'all might see Shell do that dance she be doing. But yeah, man. Hey, look, we gonna send her this video. So when you see this video, I need a pound cake. that's all I want, a pound cake. But now she a great person, like I said, y'all. Even the few years that I've known her, like she a real giving person and individual. Like I said, like wife was telling y'all, she done a whole lot. She did a whole lot for them, man. Like I said, you just gotta look out for the people, man, and you know, show the people they appreciate it and bless them while they here, instead of waiting until the person laying in a casket and then you want to get up and talk about all the great things they did and how great they were and all that. You know, like I said, it don't have to be monetary all the time. You know, some people don't have it to give like that, which is cool. You know, just show a person you appreciate them, whether you call them up and say, I want to take you out to get something to eat. Everybody can do that. So I hope this video moves somebody. Like, at the end, this what I want y'all to do. This what I want y'all to do, BCG. I want y'all to, when I'm doing these videos, man, and giving, and we giving and stuff, I want y'all to go show somebody they appreciate it. Whether you call them or take them out to eat. Like I said, take them out to eat, man, and just do something for them. That'll make somebody's day, especially somebody that don't get a lot of random stuff done for them. Like, that what me and wife were talking about upstairs. When somebody do anything for us, from small to big, we appreciate it a lot, cause that don't happen a lot. Like, you don't get people just randomly be like me. I don't get people randomly, hey Jay, I want to do this. So sometimes when I'm doing the racing videos, I done had racers just randomly drop something in my cash out, man, just on a regular day, and I'd be like, man, I had to find where it come from, and it just be the biggest thing to me, whether it's $10 or $20. I'm like, man, that means somebody thought about you. That means somebody actually thought about you, like you was on their mind, and they said, this just a token of my appreciation. And like I said, it don't have to be monetary. When people say you're doing a good job, or you know, like if you on your health thing, you looking good, man, you this and that, that stuff make your day. It just lets you know somebody appreciates you and they notice you, this and that. And that's what we wanted to do for her aunt. You know, that's what we wanted to do for her aunt. Like I said, Kendra always wanted to do something for her aunt, wifey and stuff. So that's what we doing. We doing stuff for special people. I'm gonna say that, for special people. So like I said, y'all gotta stay tuned for the remainder of the year. It definitely ain't over. It's just the tip of the iceberg. It's just getting started, man. It's just getting started. And I'm just gonna say this, y'all. I'm just gonna say that. And I know some of y'all probably can relate. Now, never count the black sheep out. Don't count the black sheep out if somebody choose to move different or look at things a different way, or you know, this and that, because you never know how great they'll turn out. That's all I'm saying. So if you feel like you the black sheep or something, whatever you got going on, y'all, just keep moving, stay the course, man, and just, man, you're gonna win. You're gonna win, I promise you. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired somebody